Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this PDF. It actually came through as a bitmap, but it's fuzzy and it will not trace. It's too fuzzy to trace. And they were asking how, and I don't know if something like this would print, but if you made a lot of copies of it and with it selected, you could specify each letter and crop it, and then that letter would be separated and you could have all those other copies. And the good thing about it, there's no white background. So if that would print, problem solved, but I do not think it would print. I think it would be easier in the long run just to draw your own if you look, there's white and blue lines, and there are yellow daisies, and the yellow daisies have little specks. And so I just drew some yellow daisy type flowers and put them on top. And then you just pick your text that you want, and we'll put the C. And this is where you want to nudge. So this thing is like less than 5 inches, so we can nudge. And the good thing about it, you can keep doing the same thing over and over and over to each letter. So select it all and intersect, then nudge it over, and then nudge over your outline, and you could do the next letter. You know, you could have whatever text, left click, right click, bring that in your picture, select it all, intersect, and then grab your outline, because you're going to want an outline. So that's pretty easy, and it looks sharp, printable, clear, superb, and maybe you can draw your a little bit. I did convert this to a bitmap to make this work good, but that would print. Now I don't want to have zigzaggedy lines and lines like this. This is very easily done. So I'm going to make a second video on how, well, I don't know how you're going to do it on the round letters. It's easy, but we'll figure it out. So if you like that, stay tuned for part 2. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.